This is pretty much the home screen of the application. Very easy to use. This application here pretty much helps you remove log of your games that you're playing, pretty much lower your ping. So you have a lot of applications which you can download, which it does support. You have the ones like PUBG, Roblox, and those stuff. Popular games, you know. And as well, you do have the boost option. So this is where it gets serious. So this section here pretty much allows you to boost application to remove lag or lower lag or to remove lag from any game. I'm not sure how effective it is, but I do see a lot of people commenting on this application that it does improve or remove the gaming experience, and also remove lag from their gameplay. So all you have to do is pretty much tap on the application or game that you have. Let's say, for example, Discord here, and will it do it? Pretty much will automatically select a server based on your application. Once you select the boost option, as you can see here, it will automatically boost once you enable this feature as well. So the tap on the choose server option, it will automatically select the best server for you to use, or you can either go ahead and select whichever server you want to use. If you're playing PUBG, this might be helpful as well. Will automatically select the best server for you to use while playing PUBG, so you don't get any lag or experience any lag. And as well, it does boost the gaming application or any application has released this as well. As you can see here, you can choose pretty much any one of these servers here, but I do recommend you using the auto option. Will select the best server based on the application for you. Once you have done that, you pretty much tap on the boost option here. It will ask you, request nothing much, and it will allows you to select one of these servers here. Will ask for connection request and tap on OK. It will start connecting in no time. As you can see here, this is pretty much it being connected now, and we'll pretty much take Discord as a game, but I don't think Discord as a game. But anyways, once it's connected, it will pretty much boost your lower your ping, I would say. So yeah, that's pretty much what the application does. Very easy to use, and it's a very application I've heard it by many. So I would say it's a very good application as well. So that's really pretty much it for this application. If I missed anything at all, just let me know in the comment section. So if you can help you, don't forget to go in the me section here and pretty much log in. So yeah, see you in the next one.